Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Neetika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. Today let's first discuss the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank level for the next week. And then as I promised, I got the stock which has posted good Q4 results. I will discuss its fundamental and buying level also. And this is the two-wheeler stock. You guess the name. I will disclose the name of the stock in the end of the video. Let's start with the Nifty 50 level for the next week. So let's come to the chart. Nifty 50 is trading at 18,070. Yes, 18,070, and it has touched the low of 18,050 के भी पास किया था, and 18,200 is the high for today. But day before, yes, day before, it has touched the high of 18,250 also. तो 18,250 के पास में जाके इसने रेजिस्टेंस लेके it has come back. It has broken the 18,100 also, but could not sustain and started falling again. So abhi it is holding one small support which is 18,050 कह सकते हैं. ये यहीं पे इसने 3-4 दिन सपोर्ट लिया है. 1 2 3 4. So it is taking support here at 18,050 level. 18,050, yes. So 18,250 is the, again it has become the resistance. If it's breaking, so definitely it will go to the level I have given in the, even in the last video also. This level is again intact, 18,400. It has not reached here, and it could not sustain above 18,100 also. Even only one day it has touched here, and again it has started falling. So the Nifty range for the next week can be in downside 18,000, sorry, 17,800. So Nifty 50 trading area for the next week can be downside 17,800. Yes, 17,800 is the support, and ऊपर के लेवल पे 18,400. So Nifty 50 trading area can be 17,800 to 18,400 for the next week. So now we have come to the Nifty bank charts. Now if we coming to bank Nifty, it is trading at 42,670, means 700 के आसपास. ये तो बैंक निफ्टी वॉज डूइंग वेल. इट लास्ट वीक बहुत ही अच्छा इसने अप मूव दिखाया है. इट हैज शोन वेरी गुड अप मूव, वेरी गुड पॉजिटिविटी since from here this support it has taken at 42,400, and from here it has started only it was going up and up and up. It was going only up and up and up, and it has taken resistance here 43,700. Yes, 43,700 से it has taken resistance, और सिर्फ only and only Friday it started falling down. The only Friday it was falling, and the main reason was only SDFC twins. The news came in SDFC, जो दैट न्यूज़ आई विल डिस्कस सेपरेटली, कि वो एचडीएफसी का जो एक पहले कुछ उनको वेटेज दिया गया था एमएससीआई वाली न्यूज़. सो उसमें उनका वेटेज बढ़ाया गया था, जो कि अब उसको कम कर दिया गया है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट न्यूज़ द एचडीएफसी बैंक, द एचडीएफसी fallen 6% down. It was 6% down on Friday, and because of that the whole Nifty bank, as the HDFC बैंक का बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें वेटेज है निफ्टी बैंक में, so because of that the whole Nifty bank was falling drastically. When more than 2% the Nifty bank fallen on Friday. So I told the reason in short. So इस वजह से निफ्टी बैंक में बहुत ज़्यादा निगेटिविटी दिखाई दे रही थी। और अगर इफ विल टॉक अबाउट द रेंज, द ट्रेडिंग निफ्टी बैंक ट्रेडिंग ए रेंज फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक, आई कैन सी द सपोर्ट हेयर 42,400 के आसपास, जो कि इसने पहले भी लिया है। तो 42,400 के पास में ये एक रेजिस्टेंस सॉरी सपोर्ट लेगा। अगर इसको तोड़ देता है तो देन वी विल सी नेक्स्ट वीक। बट अभी नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए मुझे लगता है कि इससे नीचे तो नहीं गिरना चाहिए। आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट ओनली, बट हाँ, आई कैन प्रेडिक्ट द, अगर ऐसे ही सब कुछ चलता रहता है तो इट कैन टेक अ सपोर्ट हियर। दिस इज सपोर्ट 42,400। और अगर ऊपर के लेवल पे जाता है तो अगेन एक रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ पे फेस करेगा 43,700 के पास। अगर करता है तो अदरवाइज 44,000 इज द स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस। तो 44,000 तक तो जाना चाहिए, विच इज ऑल टाइम हाई ऑल्सो। सो निफ्टी बैंक ट्रेडिंग रेंज फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक कैन बी 42,400 to 44,000. So now we have come to the stock. The stock name is, this is two-wheeler stock, and the stock name is, yes, TVS Motor Company Limited, TVSM. I will tell little bit about the company, and then I will discuss the analyze the Q4 results. So this is the two. Of course, you might have heard, you must have heard this two-wheeler company named TVS Motor. This is engaged in manufacturing two-wheeler and its accessories also. It currently manufactures a wide range of two-wheeler like motorcycle, moped, scooty. So these kind of two-wheeler they make. So this is the engage in this business. So this TVS Motor Company posted a very good Q4 results, very strong Q4 results, and I will discuss the results. Let's analyze the Q4 earnings. The profit in this Q4 2023 is 410.3 crore this year in Q4, which is which was actually in Q4 2022, it was 274.5 crore in last year. So the increase is 50%, almost 50% increase in profit. But you can imagine 50% का increase is not a simple job for the company. So 274 से लेके सीधे 410, 410 करोड़ प्रॉफिट हो चुका है कंपनी का. Now let's discuss the revenue. Revenue is now 6,604 for this quarter, which was in the last Q4 in 2022, it was 5,530 crore, and the jump is 19.4%. So revenue also increased by 19.4% from 5,530 to 6,604.8. So company also sales is also very good. Now let's discuss the EBITDA. EBITDA now it was 556.8, मतलब लगभग 557 crore था. It was in last Q4 2020. Now it has become 679.8, means almost 680 crore EBITDA in this quarter FY 2023. Y on Y increase is 22.1%. So this is also a very good jump. And margin we can say it is flat, but it is also a improvement in margin, and margin should always improving. That shows the growth in the company. So margin is now it has become 10.3% and 10.1% it was in Q4 2022. तो मार्जिन में भी 20 बीपीएस का थोड़ा सा छोटा सा एक इंक्रीज है. सो ओवरऑल द Q4 I have compared from the last year, the very good results, very good profit, and very good EBITDA also. और कंपनी ने सीएनबीसी के और बाकी के भी एस्टिमेट भी बीट किए हैं, लाइक इन प्रॉफिट they have shown the jump on of 18.6%, in revenue they have shown 2%, and margin भी इनका सेम ही है. So company has beaten up the estimate also, and it's showing actually very good growth. So ऐसी company, like who will not want to invest in these kind of company which is showing so good growth, 50% jump in profit. So now let's discuss little bit fundamental about. So I have discussed about the company. This is making the two wheeler, जैसे मोटरसाइकिल है और जो भी टू व्हीलर्स हैं. सो now we'll discuss the fundamental. This is a large cap company. Yes, this is a large cap company, and if we'll see the market cap, it is 57,673 crore. तो इसमें भी डाउट नहीं है, कोई मिड कैप या स्मॉल कैप कंपनी नहीं है. दिस इज अ लार्ज कैप कंपनी है, और दिस इज अ लार्ज कैप कंपनी, एंड मार्केट कैप 57,673 करोड़ है, और स्टॉक पी इज 44 है, which if I will see the valuation is okay. So stock is trading means overall on good PE. ROC is almost 17%, which is very good. Its ROC is very good. ROE is 26.5%, means this stock is giving you a 26.5% return on your equity. So this is very good sign. Dividend yield is not that much good, but it is okay. It is 0.41%. But we go for growth stock. We don't go for dividend, split, and bonus. We buy the stock for capital in के grow करने के लिए we invest in the stock. So dividend yield is also okay, but not that good. Debt to equity is 2.42, which is a concern because the company के ऊपर अच्छा खासा debt है. So this is only a point. I am keeping the fact. You have to decide. You should study in detail. The debt to equity is 2.42. EPS is 28, and the operating profit margin is 12.6%, which is company is able to maintain in this, within this range. So this is overall the fundamental of the company, which I find very good, and you can study in detail also. So now let's discuss the technical of the stock. So company is trading, stock is trading at 1214. अभी कल या परसों इसका रिजल्ट आया आफ्टर Q4. इट इज शोइंग सो मच अप मूव. अभी वो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ पहुंच गया, गैप अप ओपनिंग हुई, स्टॉक वॉल्यूम वाज वेरी हाई, RSI is also good. So company is actually showing very good up move on technical level. So but I am not suggesting, please keep in your mind, I'm not suggesting to buy it here. You should never buy this stock here because it is on very high level. But I will tell the buying level. If it's coming on that level, you can buy it there, but not now. This is trading at 1200, which is not a very good buying level. So let it cool down, let it little bit fall down, let it come to this level. This 1170, 1170 level can be the first level to enter in this stock in a small chunk, small quantity. अभी stock बहुत ही high level पे है, but let me tell you one thing, stock is showing very good strength for the future. I can see in coming midterm में या कुछ महीनों में it will give you a very good return. On technical chart I am finding it very very strong, very very strong. let it fall, let it come to the first this level, and if it's breaking this level, let it come to this level, which is 1100. yes, सो 1100 से 1170 के बीच में एक बहुत ही अच्छा बाइंग जोन है. इट्स होल बाइंग जोन इज फॉर buying this stock for long term only. This is not any trading area, this is for long term. For a good return, you have to keep it, you have to hold it. So let it come to the 1100. और अगर 1100 भी तोड़ के और नीचे जाता है, देन यू शुड वेट, यू शुड नॉट गो टू बाय इट, यू शुड नॉट रन टू बाय इट, यू शुड वेट. बट मुझे लगता नहीं कि अभी वो यहाँ तक जाएगा. आई कैन सी द पॉजिटिविटी इन द स्टॉक. सो let it come first 1170, and then let it come to the 1100. You can start accumulating here for long term. So the buying zone for the TVS motor for long term can be 1100 to 1170, and I can see the target is of course 1300 plus very soon. 1300 तो बहुत ही जल्दी आ जाएगा, but it can go further up. So the 1100 to 1170 is the buying zone for the TVS motor for the long term. You can accumulate it after studying the stock. So again, I will come with the good Q4 result stock and with the buying level. You keep watching the video and keep liking the video. If you want to check the Tata Consumer buying level, click the right button. If you want to check the Reliance buying level, click the left button. Keep liking the video. Signing off.